Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Bari friend. Today in this video I will show you how you can use video toolbox in your Redmi mobile phone. If you are getting option of video toolbox in your Redmi mobile phone and now you are wonder about how to use that video toolbox, where you can use that toolbox, I will show you. So first I will show you that I am using Redmi mobile phone. Here you can see. Now I am going to my video toolbox. For that I am going to special features video toolbox. Here you have to enable all these functions like video toolbox first option, second option video toolbox shortcut. Enable this third option is shortcut location. You can select left and right wherever you want. And the fourth option you have to select the app, in which app you want to use this video toolbox. Like I have selected YouTube and I am going to use in YouTube these functions. So I'm going to YouTube. Here on left hand side, here as you have selected shortcut location on left hand side, here inside video toolbox you will get this option on left hand side of your YouTube. Here you can see a one thick line. I'm clicking on this thick line and this pop-up is showing. So this is the video toolbox functions. You can use these functions. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.